The Old West Gunworks, when I first saw it, it was in a very dilapidated state, but I could see that it was a fantastic building. It was built originally in 1854, 170 years ago. When we took over the Old West Gunworks, it was a remarkable achievement in many ways, because when Prince Charles opened the gunworks in the December, 2 months later, it was difficult because we had one machine and two hand-making machines. So it was, we were lost in it, but we always believed that Gripple would grow. Never thought to the size it's grown to today, but the Development Corporation were very, very supportive and gave us significant financial support that enabled us to put the 3 big arches in and raise the floors. When we first moved into the Old West Gunworks, we had 17 staff, and I felt it was important that the employees and the staff were an integral part of the business. They did just as much as I did in making the business, and that became the basis of the model of employee ownership. I believe that Gripple will continue to grow, provided it innovates and keeps developing new products, and it should grow at 10% per annum as it has up to now. It's up to the staff, because it's the staff who will drive this business, and if that's what they wish, then that's what will happen. Some people ask me if I'm proud about the West Gunworks, but pride is a deadly sin, and we are not proud, we're just a bit, to use Yorkshire expression, gobsmacked that it has grown as the way it has, and all the other factories that Gripple now own. A little message for everybody at the Gunworks and at Gripple and Glide, it's thank you very much. You've done a great job. Keep doing it.